Open iTunes on your device. Connect to your Apple ID for a seamless experience. Navigate to Account in the top menu. Click on Purchased. Look for the Music section under Purchased. Here lies your library. Select Not on this computer. This will filter your tracks. Find the songs you wish to re-download. Click on the download icon next to each track. Once downloaded, the songs will appear in your library. Enjoy your music. If you encounter issues, ensure your iTunes is updated to the latest version. Check your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for re-downloading. If songs are missing, verify they were originally purchased under your current Apple ID. For further help, visit Apple's support page for detailed assistance. Stay updated on changes or issues regarding iTunes to enhance your experience. Now you're ready to enjoy your music. Happy listening!